Hello, in this video, as promised, we will be talking about that how to remember the place of order of English alphabets in the reverse order. Yesterday we talked about, in the previous video, we talked about how to remember the actual position, the normal order. So because this one is the reverse order, so we have to be a bit careful, and it's not that tricky. In case you will be just solving 5 questions based on the reverse order and you will use these techniques, trust me, you are already sorted. You don't need to do anything else, right? And I have taken this UTC test twice, and every time my paper 1 is very strong. I get quite a good marks over there. I still need to work on my paper 2. I can't cram, and English literature is all about cramming. I don't have a cramming power, but I have this thing. But it's so vast, actually. English literature is that we have American, we have African, so never mind. But we'll just do it in case I just go for it. So we know that A, B and Y, Z, these are easy to remember because the order has been reversed. So Z will be 1, A will be 26, Y will be 2, B will be 25, right? So this thing is already sorted, done. 4 we already know. Now last time in the previous video you might have seen that I told you Kings 11 Punjab, Kings K 11 and P for Punjab. In this reverse order, because reverse, P 11 Punjab 11 Kings, right? So P will become 11, right? And just because P has become 11, K will take this 16th position. Earlier 16th was P, Papa ki pari. And after some times, these Papa ki paris, they become something else. And most of the Hindi slang is actually based on, starts with this word K, right? Most of the slang words, they start with K. So you can remember it from there. So these are just jokes. Please don't take them otherwise, please, because this is how you're gonna remember them for a longer period of time, right? And the next one is okay, M, I told you main tera, right? And because it's in the middle of it, right? M 13 and N was 14. M and N will reverse their order. So now M will become 14 and N will become 13. So we are done with A, B, K, P, M, N and Y, Z. So 8 of them now we already know. So once you look at the question, you will already get the idea that okay, how they are mapping the words or the letters. The next one is, if we see here, okay, this one is easy one. We say 10 सवाल पूछती है, 10 सवाल पूछती है. So 10 सवाल is 10 questions, right? So Q is 10. Okay. And last time, as we discussed, when do we become responsible? R was 18. Now it's reverse. And I was 9. And 9 and 18, see, they're already linked, right? They will also reverse, change their order. Now R will become 9 and I will become 18. So 9 के multiples थे ये लोग, I and R. तो 9 के ही multiples रहेंगे, but they will change their order. So this means that R will become 9 and I has become 18. Easy. Also, A is, we know. Now how many vowels do we have? A, E, I, O and U. A we already know. Now the rest, E, I, O, U, they are pending. I also, although we already know. Now if you look at this carefully, first we'll learn, people befriend each other at the age of 21 and they get engaged at 22. So this is, F is 21, friendship is 21 and engagement is 22. Another way of remembering this thing is, in Punjabi, E is bai, right? Bai, E is bai, right? So I think in Hindi it's bais, na? S is there. In Punjabi we don't have that sir. So this is this one. So this is E and now we have F also. Okay, G, here it is easy to remember because in case you're preparing for any exam, right, G20 summit is quite important. So you might have read about G20 summit. So G is 20. We know this thing now. So another thing, although you can remember it in some other way also, I can't forget 23rd of December because 23rd December is quite a senior of mine, it's her birthday, right? So I remember it. You can remember it from Christmas also, like it's 23, right? December 23. So I remember it like that. So A, B, D, you know. C, either you can follow the same technique that if B is 25 and this is 23, this must be 24. For me it is easy to remember because C24 was my room room number during my college days, so I remember C24. Another thing is EF we are already done, G20 summit we have done. G, if G is 20, this will be 19, but you have to be careful that you have to do -1 here, right, because we are going in the reverse order. I we have done. Now talking about the vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Just forget about A and E, focus on I, O, U. U is 6, O is 12, and I is 18. These are the multiples of 6. I, O, U. Just practice using these techniques. Just do 5 questions. They will get settled in your mind, and you will be amazed, surprised that it was that easy. I'm telling you that I have taken the test twice, and every time I have scored quite a good score in paper 1. Paper 2. Nice. Only Sai Baba can help. Ma Saraswati can help, right? So the next one is I is this thing. J, okay, never mind. K we have done. L. L is last time we did it from love, right? And we said that जब प्यार होता है तो 12 बज जाते हैं इंसान के. So L, at what age usually children fall in love? At the adolescent age, during the adolescent age, and it starts at the age of 15. So 15, L 15. M, N we have done, O we have done, P we have done, Q we have done, R we have done. S, again the same technique, that if R is 9, S is 8, or you can also remember Samsung Galaxy S8. It was the first one. Okay, T. T, I usually take tea at 7, right? T, 7. So सुबह भी हम लोग usually 7 बजे चाय पीते, शाम को भी. So twice a day I take tea twice at 7. So T, 7. U, already I told you from the technique that they are the multiples of 6. V, V5, hum 5, 5, right? So this one is V5, hum 5. Also there is this V5 pen, you can remember from there if you wish. Otherwise, hum 5, V5. Okay. W, you have to remember it from there. X, okay, X3, because the matrix, right? The matrix we usually draw, it has this thing, or X cube, you can remember it. So X cube, it's very easy to remember. So these are the things that we usually remember. Y and Z we already know. So now within 7 minutes, including with the explanation, you already remember. If you wish, we can have a quick recap. A, 26, B, 25, C, 24, D, December 23, E, engagement or bye, F, friendship at 21, G, G20 summit, H, 19 because it is next to this one, so it's okay. I, double, I, 18, J, okay, we didn't discuss. J, again you have to do it from this thing. K, Kings 11 Punjab. P and K will reverse their order. L, love at 15. M, N have reversed their places. O, from the vowels, 6, 12, so it is 12. P, Kings 11 Punjab again. Punjab 11 Kings, right? Q, 10 Sawal. R, half. Earlier it was 18, now it's 90. Now it's 9. S, Samsung Galaxy S8. T at 7. U, 6, right? Multiples of 6. V, hum 5. W, 4. X cube. Y, Z. So done. Keep reading, keep sharing. Let learning be your muse. Let sharing be your muse. Enjoy this time. We have such an we are actually blessed with this opportunity, and what I'm doing these days, you can also do the same. I have started remembering this thing. So if you have time, you can learn all the words. Trust me, it's going quite good, right? Take care. Bye bye. God bless you.